spend the night beside her. And you know that she's half crazy, but that's why you want to be there. And she feeds you tea and oranges that come all the way from China. And just when you mean to tell her that you have no love to give her, she gets you on her wavelength, and she lets the river answer that you've always been her lover. And you want to travel with her, and you want to travel blind, and she thinks that she can trust you, for you touched her perfect body with your mind. And Jesus was a sailor as he walked upon the water, and he spent a long time watching from his lonely wooden tower. And when he knew for certain only drowning men would see him, he said all men will be sailors then.